First you're going to sit like this. Okay, sit right here. Let me feel your neck, okay? Okay. In fact, why don't you turn around this way? Sit right here like that. Hold still. Okay. I'm going to work a little bit here. Very good. I'm going to stretch a little bit gently. Stretch this way. Good. Stretch this way. Let's see, this side's a tighter one, isn't it? Okay. Good. Alright, now, stay right there. I'm going to adjust the middle part of your back. Feel your neck here. Okay. Alright, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to have you stand up like this. Stand on the side. Okay. And then we're going to do a jumping game, okay? We're going to adjust the middle. Ready? Set, jump. Good job. Is that good? Not yet. We're going to lay down in a minute. One more time to jump. Ready? Jump. Whoa! Okay, let's lay down now. Okay. Let's lay down. All right. Where are we going to put your hands? Right up here. That's good. Put your face down there. Right there. Right there. Hold still. All right. I'm going to push on your muscles, okay? All right. A little push here. Good. We already did the center part. Is that ticklish? Huh? We're going to roll here, a little push. Oh, good. How old are you, Jonathan? 2. You're 2? 2 years old? Good job. Okay, let's think about your low back here. All right. Roll on your side now. Like this. Bring your arm underneath. Good. Bend your knee. Here we go. Ready? Okay, put this arm right here. Take a breath. Here we go. Hold right here. Nice one. Okay, go to the other side. Okay, hold still. All right, here we go. Come underneath. Look up at the ceiling, Mr. Smiley Face. Good job. Roll right on your back. Okay. Now, we're going to bring you right this way, okay? All right, so we're going to see. Is this fun?
Sit on the chair.
Sit on the chair? Oh, you want me to sit on the chair for you?
Sit walking.
Okay.
Sit bed.
Hold still right there. Okay. How's that? You get specialed. I'm going to use a special tool for you, okay?
Okay.
First, I'm going to check your neck with my fingers. We're just going to do a little bit. Okay. This one. Good job. Okay. Now we can use this special tool. Hold your hand out. See how it tickles you.
Up is that.
You like that? Okay. We're going to do it on, no, not on your back. I'm going to do it on your neck right here. Hold still. Okay.
That's it.
Okay, now go the other way. Here we go.
That's it.
There we go. Want to check it? Feel it again? That's a good adjusting tool, isn't it? Huh?
Another one.
Another one?
Another one. Auntie Boo.
You want this one too?
Yeah. On.
Oh, you want this activator?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let's see. Let's come over here. Let's put your head right here. Hold still. Okay.
That's it. That's
Okay, now turn this way. Hold still. Don't roll over yet. Okay.
that.
All right. Do you want some lotion?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Here. Okay. I'm going to use the tool on your back again.
Yeah.
Roll over on your stomach. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So hold still right there. Right there. Put your face right in the paper. Okay. All right. So we'll use this right here. Okay. Good. And then we're going to use the other one. And here on your back. Okay. Put your head down. Okay. Ready? Okay. All right, you can sit up this way. Are you all finished?
I'm so there.
All finished? Would you like a sticker?
Yeah.
Okay.